Introducing our charger case line. The idea behind this came on one of those 80-degree perfect weather days where you have no batteries charged. You can't find your charger, you can't find your leads, you can't find your power supply. Get all that stuff in one spot. That was where the idea was. And also make it as functional as possible and cost effective as possible. So nice compact package, ruggedized case. You don't have to worry about whether it's getting beat around in your car. The plug for the power supply goes right on the side where it's nice and solid. We're using ISDT genuine chargers. Right now, that's the Q6 Nanos and the P10s, which go up to 6S. Yes, I know we need the 8S versions, the P20 and the Q8, which I'm working on. But those may be bigger cases because they take bigger power supplies. One thing common across these 6S systems is you have these charger cord pockets, so you can hold your power supply cord, and then any extension, balance lead, maybe even your voltage checker, all that stuff will fit in there. Everything's about function, and also we do offer them with USB ports. These are 2 amp, or actually 2.1 amp charger ports. That's an option that you can add as a little bit of an upgrade. And I'm going to do a video for each individual one so you know the differences. But this is just an overview, and thank you for watching.